Guys, subscribers, followers, whatever you call them. I appreciate you, and I just want to let you know I'm doing something unusual today, and that is I'm uploading 2 videos in one day, and that's just because I wanted to create a short tutorial on how to install NPM or NodeJS on your Mac. And yeah, I found that the topic is becoming a it's increasing in size, and more and more people want to know how to do it, especially with their Macs. And yeah, so I thought I'd just create a 2-minute tutorial showing you how, because why not? I mean, this is the easiest tutorial I've ever done. You only have to run 2 commands. Okay, so without further ado, there is a prerequisite to the course or the how-to video, and that is you have to have Homebrew pre-installed. You can check if you have it installed by typing brew -- version. And as you can see, I have 2.1.9 installed. Now, if an error pops up here for you, all you have to do is go to https://brew.sh and follow the instructions on the site, and that should have you all caught up with Brew. But anyways, the first command you want to run to install Node is brew install node. What you're going to want to do is click enter. And as you can see, I already have Node installed, but if you were installing it for the first time, this is what it would look like. And yeah, so yeah, you got Node here. And to verify Node is installed, similar to Brew, we can just type node --v, and as you can see, we have Node version 12.8.0 installed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's like a 10-second tutorial, and you can also see it installed NPM as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.